Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to display your form in a single line. So let's get started with this video. Hover onto WPForms and click on Add New. Now select any template from here as per your choice. I will select Simple Contact Form. Now here you can add or modify the fields as per your requirement. Once all the changes are done, let me save the form first. Now let's preview the form and I will show you how the form is displayed as of now. So you can see this is how the form has been added to my website. But what if I want to display all the fields in a single line? To do that, move back to the Contact Form window. Now click on the Settings tab. From various settings, click on the Advanced Settings here to expand it. We need to add a CSS class in the form CSS Class to display the form in the single line. I have added this CSS class to the description. You can copy it from there. Once done, click on Save to save the changes. Now let's view the form to check the changes. When refreshed, you can see that the form is now displayed in a single line. So this is how you can easily display a form in a single line using CSS. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.